Welcome back. This is a tutorial video on all of the class functionality in the MusiQuest Dashboard. So you can see that I'm on the Manage Classes tab on the left-hand nav. I've got my single super awesome class at the moment. Of course, I can add many more classes if I like. It's sort of a weird name for a class, but let's do it. And once I have multiple classes, I can switch between them on the left-hand nav here. If I go to many more classes, it's not going to be that exciting because I have no students in that class yet. If I go to super awesome class, I'll get this class overview that I'm familiar with, showing the activity there, and I go back to manage classes and I can do more. So what is the more that I can do? Well, one thing I can do is I can view the students. So I'm a little bit in the way here, but if I click view students, it's going to show me all the students in my class. I can search for anyone I'd like, make sure they're in here. And from here, I can also work with their profile if I'd like. Another option I have is to manage the roster for my class. So this allows me to shift students back and forth between different classes. I will take out Elijah here because he's an example. Why not? Removed. If I search, no more Elijah. If I go back to the school at large, I now see that Elijah is in the school, but not in the class along with me. So I guess I have a friend now. That's nice. Similarly, if I go to my class with no students, it'll tell me there are no students in this class. Click on the school tab to add more, but I can add Elijah and search also for Jacob and then add those two students. And just like that, they're in the many more classes. And if I look at the view students here, I'm going to see them show up. So you can see that's all very intuitive, right? Basically moving students back and forth, setting them up in the way that you want. The last button we've got here is Edit Class. Edit Class also does the things you'd expect. One of them is to change the name. You can make it a little more professional. Let's say third grade. That sounds about right for me. And you'll see that change right back here on the dashboard itself. The other option is to delete the class. Deleting the class itself just gets rid of the class. The students still remain. If you delete a class and students, let's say that you had a whole 6th grade sort of graduate and you are fine with those profiles being archived, you don't need them anymore, that's a little more intense. So don't only take that action if you really mean to. Otherwise, delete class will do just fine. It'll make sure, right? It'll give you that modal so you can't slip up. But when I say yes, then that class is gone. Those student profiles still there, right? Elijah still there. Jacob Zach's still there. So they haven't been deleted, but the class is gone and it's no longer available on this drop down here. Feel free to create as many classes as you'd like. Organize your students in multiple ways. Students can be in multiple classes, and let us know if there's more we can do on this front. But we're excited about what we've got to offer right now.